What it gotta be? Yeah, Airi, come on. That's not no ordinary car.
Can you pat my back and leave? What's up, what's up, what's up? We're about to do a prank on Gilly. I'm just gonna be doing like a coughing prank on the boys to get their reaction. Okay? Y'all ready? Let's get into it.
Hola.
Hey.
How are y'all? Sure, wild, dude. Back up, bro. Take that back out there, Airi.
Ooh.
Take that back out there, Airi. Airi.
Hey, how you doing?
Ooh, that's it.
How you doing?
Hold on, give me a second.
How you doing?
Oh, you're wild, bro.
You doing good?
I missed y'all. I'm so happy to see y'all. Come here.
Yeah, today. I fuck with the bed.
Oh my God. Chris, my head. My head.
I'm sorry.
My head. Wipe it.
No, I ain't watching her.
I'm sorry. Whew. Okay. Oh my goodness.
I got pterodactyl. Yo, Airi, you got pterodactyl Gladys? Yo, for Airi, why would you bring that over here? You brought Airi, you're freaking wild.
I'm good now. I'm good. Don't worry about it. How y'all been? How y'all been?
Good. Airi. Come on, dude.
Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. Y'all know allergies, how they get to me.
Your mouth wide open, that dog going straight in your mouth. Your mouth wide open, you gonna get sick instantly, boy.
I'm sorry about that.
Too much.
I'm not doing too much. My bad. It's the weather. Y'all had me out there walking around.
No, you had us out there.
Going crazy.
This mouth still, he can contract the body. Airi, come on, bring it outside.
Can somebody get my tripod? Why you looking at me all like that? What's up? What's the beef?
I got some hand sanitizer.
That's your phone?
Oh yeah, that is.
I got some hand sanitizer.
No, I don't got no answer.
I ain't trying to touch you, man.
Boy, close it. Jeez. Can you get a thumbnail for me?
For what?
Huh?
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's your thumbnail?
For my vlog. Lift it up a little bit.
What it gotta be? Yeah, Airi, come on. That's not no ordinary car.
Ooh.
Can you pat my back and leave?
Good. Alright, come on.
Okay, let me get the rest of my stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it tomorrow, y'all.
Come on.
Stop rushing me meanly.
I said it nice.
No, you didn't.
I'm already coughing over a storm. Cover your mouth. You need to learn how to cover your mouth.
I am.
I believe you.
Literally. Like what? Be for real.
You is not covering your mouth.
Yes, I am. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm here. The party's here.
2 hours later. Feel like forever.
The party's here. It ain't been that long. Y'all been out here for like a minute. Excuse me.
Don't do that again today. Airi, bro. Chill out, bro.
I'm sorry, everybody. My bad.
I already covered your mouth.
She just showed up 2 hours. Are you still coughing from yesterday?
It's cause y'all had me outside walking around.
Yeah, that's outside.
No, I didn't.
I should have told her we were checking out at 10
9
o'clock.
a.m.
9 a.m. Yo, Airi, bro. Back up, bro. Airi. Are you still coughing?
What kind of cough is that?
What kind of cough is that, for real?
That's what I'm saying. We might need to go to a doctor or something.
No, seriously.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Might need to get that checked out. So yeah, we've been chilling. Just laying on the floor waiting. Airi. Are you serious?
Can you give me some water at my back or something to just stare at me? It's ridiculous.
What is that? What did he say? He's selling chocolate. He's selling chocolate. That's what you're selling.
Oh my God.
You need to cover your mouth. That's ridiculous. You just too old to be talking like that.
Ooh.
As an adult,
No
don't
more
do
cough
that.
drops?
No more cough drops?
We out? Fresh? No? Ah! Got him.
Oh my God.
Yo, Airi. Yo,
Yep,
my knee.
I'm not touching that.
My knee.
You know what that is?
Yo, Airi.
You know what that is right there? Hand
What?
sanitizer.
Stop coughing, Airi. Yo, that cough was ugly. That one was ugly.
Which one? You think I'm trying to be cute?
Oh my God. Yo, that cough was mad ugly, bro.
I think we
Take
gonna need
the
to
cough
take
drop.
that ASAP.
I can't open.
Listen, man,
I
I don't know
can't
what
even open it.
listen, man, I don't know what we're gonna do, but listen, man. I don't know what we're gonna do, but y'all stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, man. Airi. Come on, bro. How you cough that many times?
We'll get some hand
Oh, don't, Airi. Airi, don't do that.
table.
Airi, don't do that. Airi, don't do that, Airi. Airi, don't do that, bro. It's not safe, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
It's not safe when you do that, dude.
It's a lot of minerals and
There's a whole bunch of tonsil action going on.
everything flying around right
I know. Airi, we're in a lobby, bro. You're embarrassing us.
Yeah, we can pick up.
Yeah, we're gonna get that. Sir, can you bring your guest out of here?
Whew. Alright.
Ooh,
I feel better. Thank you for this.
yeah, you need
Can you
it.
hand me my camera? Oh, yo, I ain't even say hey to y'all. Hey, what's up?
No, hell no, bro. You
Let's
just
put up
talk
some
like
hand
this.
sanitizer first.
How am I get over there without touching nothing?
Yup.
You can just walk.
Like over here.
Nah.
Airi, bro.
It ain't working.
There's another one over there.
Where?
She tried to shake our hand. She tried to shake our hand.
It was so disgusting to me. That is so funny. Alright, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Airi all day. If you didn't know, now you know. Big things popping, little things stopping.